Hi everyone, good to have you here. I'm doing a cup of tea with Lil Fi, and today's topic is the castanet, the humble castanet, which can be a great instrument to work with children, or it can be very annoying. And I'm going to show you the trick with getting rid of the annoying. Well, part of it anyway. It's this little thing here, this little dot, and I'll show you the difference. Or you take it out and have a listen to this. See how it lowers the tone? So, from that to that. That's the trick. Get rid of the dot and you'll have a fantastic instrument. Children's ears cannot handle high tones, and knocking outs really. When we hear that over and over, it's going to be much easier to handle than this. Come on, in you go. It doesn't even want to go in there now. Too high. Tone's too high. Much better. So in some of the games that you can do with castanets is crossing the midline. Ow, 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 ow. Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap it on your hair, clap it on your shoulder, clap it on your elbow. That's a really hard one for kids to do, clap on the elbow. And then clap on the other elbow. And it's really going to stimulate their brains and get them thinking hard, which is what we want to do. That's what we're all about. We're all about growing healthy neurons in our kids' brains. They're not really there until they're about 7, so that's what we need to do. We need to grow healthy neurons in our children's brains, good pathways, doing all this cross meridian stuff, round and round the garden, and castanets. Castanets can come into it too. So I hope that has inspired you to fix up your castanets, give them a bit of a tuning up and get rid of that little thing there. Get rid of it. Throw it out. Thanks everyone. Just a quick one today. Have fun.